Can I touch you? I can't believe that you are real. How did I ever find you?
Hey guys, Kim Cho. I am Seema and I am back with another DIY video. So today's DIY art you can gift it to your BF, your GF, your BFF, your mom, your dad, your cousin, your sister, your brother, your friend, and the list goes on. So without any delay, let's get to the video. Okay, so to start with, we need to have a rectangular base, for which I am here using a sunpack sheet and I have painted it white. If you want, you can also use a simple cardboard, it's totally up to you. For the base, I am going to use a thermocol sheet. If you want, you can also use the foam that comes with the electronics packaging, like with AC or any other electronics. Now we need to paste this together, for which I am going to use the simple Fevicol. Please remember, do not use any sort of strong glue like Fevikwik or Fevibond. Let it dry now. In the meantime, take a sheet of a paper and fold it in half like I have done here. And take a pen or pencil and draw a half heart on one of the sides of this sheet and cut this out using a scissor. After cutting this out, I am just going to trace it over on this sheet of cardboard, or as I mentioned earlier, I am here using a sunpack sheet or the foam board. If you are planning to make a moon with this string art, then just draw a rough figure of the moon on this sheet. So basically whatever you are planning to make, just draw a rough figure of that particular thing on this sheet. And along with this heart, I am going to make a few heartbeats on both of the sides. Looks great, and we are ready to move on to the next step. Here I am using a set of head pins. These are also known as circle pins. If you want, you can also use simple awl pins or iron nails, but these are the better options since these are very appealing and easy to work with. Now take a head pin and start inserting it inside the sheet using those outlines that we have drawn as your guidelines. Do leave some space between the head of the pin and the sheet, as you can see in this video. Let me show you again. I've taken another pin and I have pushed it down the sheet, and I'm leaving some space between the head of the pin and the sheet like this. Now just keep on repeating the same. It's up to you, you can use as many colors you want. After completing it, paint it white once again, and as you have noticed, for the heartbeats I have inserted the pins only at the ends. As you can see here, it will look like this. Now for the next step, take a thread and tie a knot on one of the head pins to start with. After tying a knot, all you need to do is start crisscrossing the thread and wrapping it around from one head pin to another, as you can see in this video. Just keep on wrapping the thread from one head pin to another. And after coming to the heart, do keep in mind, before filling it in with the thread, you need to highlight the shape of this heart, for which you need to wrap the thread around the heart for around 7 to 8 times. It also depends on the thickness of the thread you are using. So I'm just wrapping the thread around the shape of this heart. And after doing this, all you need to do is start crisscrossing the thread again and again, wrapping it around from one head pin to another with no particular pattern. Just keep on repeating it. It will take you around, I guess, maximum 15 minutes depending upon your speed. Keep on repeating the same. And do the same on the other side as well, and once done, it will look like this. And for the next step, I am going to use a black acrylic color to paint the sides with. And after painting all the sides, your DIY art is completely ready. Do let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section below, and share this art as much as possible. Plus, do not forget to hit that red subscribe button and press that bell icon too. See you in the next video, guys. Till then, take care and bye bye.